I've been using Manus AI, and honestly, I didn't know what to expect. I thought it would just be another chatbot with a fresh design. But then I gave it a goal instead of a question, and it didn't just answer, it planned, executed, and delivered the result as if it had taken the wheel completely. That was the moment I realized this wasn't like the other tools I'd been trying. So what is Manus AI? It's not just a chat assistant, it's an autonomous agent built to act on your behalf. Instead of giving you short replies or generic summaries, it takes on full tasks. You set the goal, like planning a trip, analyzing data, building a proposal, or generating structured research, and Manus figures out the steps, runs through them, and presents you with the outcome. Here's how it works in practice. Say you ask Manus to create a travel itinerary. Instead of just listing ideas, it structures a day-by-day plan, adds details about locations, and formats it into something usable. Or imagine you need a business comparison. It doesn't just hand you random notes, it creates tables, key points, and recommendations. You don't babysit it, you just set the destination and let it drive. What makes it stand out is autonomy. Unlike most AI tools that wait for you to guide every step, Manus operates more like a teammate. It remembers context, organizes tasks into phases, and executes without you rewriting prompts every 2 minutes. That makes it feel less like a chatbot and more like a personal operator. Of course, it's not perfect. Sometimes it can oversimplify results or generate outputs that feel too polished but miss small details. If the task involves tricky real-world interactions like booking systems or complex sign-ins, it can get stuck or loop. And because it's still new, it won't always hit emotional nuance or creative depth the way a human would. So who is Manus AI really for? If you're a busy professional juggling research, planning, or repetitive multi-step work, it's a massive time saver. It's also exciting for creators who want to draft, structure, or brainstorm at scale. But if you need deeply human nuance or you're dealing with high-stakes work that can't afford occasional errors, you'll still need to stay in the loop. My verdict? Manus AI feels less like a toy and more like a glimpse of the future. It's bold, ambitious, and genuinely useful when you let it take over tasks. It won't replace human thinking, but it makes the heavy lifting lighter, and that makes it a tool worth watching. If you've tested it, share your experience in the comments. I read every one. And if this breakdown helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more honest reviews. Catch you next time.